Hello friends, I hope you're doing well, and here make a bundle for Procreate. You can use in Adobe Illustrator, and some files are PNG, but these are protected for unit subscription. Go to sherryskpwt.com, just one-time payment for lifetime access, and here new store gfxpacks.com for a graphic designer or developer. 200 geometric shape, just one file, and here a preview PDF. Building toolkit, Illustrator, PNG, and here pattern. Next, Procreate. Okay, builder, page layout, book, next, shape and letter, PNG, portrait toolkit, EPS, AI for CC, ear, eyes, head, mouth, noses. I hope these are useful for you. Subscribe me. Take care. I love this.